In this video, I am going to show you how to insert an image in PDF document in Android Studio using Kotlin. First, create a new project and select empty views activity and click on next and give the project name here and keep the language Kotlin and click on finish. First, open a drawer folder and add an image here. And this is my image. Now create a button in activity main.xml and add a on click function here, add image, and create a function in activity main activity. Now specify the path of the PDF file and create a file, wall file, and set the absolute path and insert the PDF file name here. So image pdf. Now create a PDF document and set the page info and set the width and height and page number and create the page info. Now create a text for header image sample PDF and set this text in the center of the document. So divide the page width by 2 and now set the current Y position and at this Y position set an image. So create a variable wall bitmap is equal bitmap factory dot decode resource and resource comma r dot drawable and set your image name. So our image name is nature. Now first resize the image with our document size. So create a variables wall desired width is equal canvas dot width minus 20. Now create a function scale bitmap to resize the bitmap with desired size. So create a private fun scale bitmap and first bitmap and comma desired width and type int bitmap. Now wall ratio and type float. First know the ratio of the our original image and then resize our image with same ratio. Bitmap dot width dot to float and divide by bitmap dot height dot to float. And now create a variables scale height wall scale height is equal desired width and divide by ratio. So we will get the original ratio of the image. Now convert it to integer. To int. So we will resize the image in same ratio. Now return the bitmap. Return bitmap dot create scaled bitmap. Bitmap dot create scaled bitmap and pass here our original bitmap and now pass the width, so desired width, and now pass the height, so scale height, and now filter true. Now call this scale bitmap function here to resize our original image. So wall scale bitmap is equal and call this function scale bitmap and pass this bitmap, so bitmap, and pass the desired width, so our desired width is this desired width. And now draw this bitmap on the canvas, so canvas dot draw bitmap and pass here scale bitmap and set the coordinates, so x position is equal 10f and y position is current y position, so y position and paint right. And now pdf document dot finish page and page here. And now write the pdf document. So pdf document dot write file output stream and pass the file here. And now close the pdf document and post a toast message, pdf file created successfully. Now run this app. Now our app is running successfully. And now create on insert image in pdf, and our message is pdf file created successfully. Now check our pdf file. Now open the files and select the external storage and click on Android data, and our project is image pdf Kotlin. Click here. Now click on files, open the file and open the documents, and our pdf is image pdf.pdf. Click and open, and our image is inserted successfully in pdf file. So like the video and subscribe channel. Thank you for watching.